Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English practice podcast.
Hello, my friends. We are so happy you are here today.
Yes, thank you for listening while cooking, driving, studying, relaxing, or maybe eating something delicious right now.
Ooh, food.
Donna, are you hungry again?
Wilbert, I am always hungry.
That is true.
Food is important.
Yes, and today we have a very useful topic for everyday English.
Very useful.
Today's topic is ordering food in English.
Yay!
This is very important because many English learners feel nervous in restaurants.
Yes, sometimes people know English words, but they panic when the waiter comes.
Yes, suddenly the brain stops working.
One time I forgot the word water.
Really?
Yes, I said, "Can I have transparent juice?"
Transparent juice?
Yes,
That sounds fancy.
very expensive water. But mistakes are okay.
Exactly. Mistakes help us learn.
Today, we will practice simple restaurant English slowly and clearly.
So you can feel more confident when ordering food.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
And write a comment below.
Tell us, what is your favorite food?
Okay, everyone.
Let's practice English together.
Donna, do you like restaurants?
Yes, I love restaurants.
What kind of food do you like?
I like pizza, noodles, sushi, chicken, burgers.
Donna,
What?
that is many foods.
I know. What about you?
I like coffee shops.
Ah, yes, coffee again.
Coffee is important.
Coffee is your personality.
Okay, everyone. Let's start with simple restaurant phrases.
Very important phrases.
Imagine you walk into a restaurant.
You open the door.
You smell delicious food.
Your stomach says, "Feed me." Okay, first, the waiter may say, "Hello, welcome,"
Or, hello, table for one?
or "Table for two?"
Repeat slowly. Table for two.
Very good.
If you are alone, you can say, table for one, please.
Repeat after us. "Table for one, please."
Excellent.
If you are with a friend, "Table for two, please."
Very nice.
Now, let's practice a short conversation.
Okay.
Hello, table for two?
Yes, please.
Right this way.
Thank you.
Very simple.
Very natural.
Now, listeners, repeat "Yes, please."
Again, yes, please.
Excellent.
After you sit down, the waiter may give you a menu.
A menu is the paper with food and drinks.
Yes.
Sometimes the menu is very big.
And sometimes the prices are scary,
Yes.
especially when you look at the dessert section.
Why is one cake $20?
Because sadness is expensive.
Yes.
Now, let's learn this important question. Can I see the menu?
Repeat slowly. Can I see the menu?
Very good.
Another useful phrase is, "Can I have some water?"
Repeat after us. Can I have some water?
Excellent.
Now, let's practice drinks.
You can say, "I would like coffee."
I would like tea.
"I would like orange juice."
Repeat slowly. I would like coffee.
Very good.
Donna, what drink do you order in restaurants?
Bubble tea.
Every time?
Every time.
What if the restaurant sells spaghetti?
Bubble tea and spaghetti.
Interesting combination.
Thank you.
Now, let's practice ordering food.
Very important.
You can say, I would like a burger.
I would like pasta.
I would like fried chicken.
Repeat slowly. I would like.
Again, I would like.
Excellent.
You can also say, can I get?
For example, can I get a pizza?
Can I get a salad?
Very natural English.
Repeat after us. Can I get a burger?
Very nice.
Now let's practice a real restaurant conversation.
Okay. Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am.
What would you like?
I would like a cheeseburger and fries.
And something to drink?
Coffee, please.
Coffee with a burger?
Do not judge me. What about you?
I would like pasta and orange juice.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Now, listeners, repeat after me. I would like pasta.
Again, slowly. I would like pasta.
Excellent.
Now repeat, can I get some water?
Very good.
Can I see the menu?
Excellent work. Sometimes the waiter asks, are you ready to order?
This means,
Do you know what food you want?
if you are ready, you can say, yes, I'm ready.
Repeat slowly. Yes, I'm ready.
Very good.
If you need more time, you can say, I need a few minutes.
Again, I need a few minutes.
Excellent.
Wilbert, sometimes I need 20 minutes.
Because you cannot choose?
Yes, everything looks delicious. Now let's practice asking questions about food.
Very useful.
You can ask, what do you recommend?
Repeat slowly. What do you recommend?
Excellent.
The waiter may say, our pizza is very popular.
Or, the chicken is very good.
Donna, what do you recommend?
French fries.
That is not healthy.
But it is delicious.
Good point.
Sometimes people have food allergies.
Very important topic.
You can say, I'm allergic to peanuts.
Or, I can't eat seafood.
Repeat slowly. I can't eat seafood.
Very good.
You can also ask, does this have nuts?
Again, does this have nuts?
Excellent.
Now let's practice another conversation.
Okay?
Hello, are you ready to order?
Not yet. What do you recommend?
The chicken pasta is very popular.
Okay, I would like the chicken pasta.
Great choice.
And orange juice, please.
Sure.
Thank you.
Excellent job, everyone.
You are doing great.
Now let's learn how to ask for the bill.
Very important.
After eating, you can say, can I have the bill, please?
Or you can say, can I get the check, please?
In American English, people often say check.
Repeat slowly. Can I get the check, please?
Very nice.
Now repeat, can I have the bill, please?
Excellent.
Wilbert, do you leave tips in restaurants?
Yes, sometimes.
I once forgot to leave a tip.
Really?
Yes, I was very embarrassed.
Oh no.
Now I always remember.
Good idea. Now let's practice paying.
Okay?
The waiter may ask, cash or card?
Repeat slowly. Cash or card.
You can answer, card, please.
Or you can say cash.
Very simple.
Very easy.
Now let's do shadowing practice.
Yes, repeat exactly after us.
Table for two, please.
Table for two, please.
Can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu?
I would like pasta.
I would like pasta.
Can I get some water?
Can I get some water?
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Can I have the bill, please?
Can I have the bill, please?
Excellent work, everyone.
You sound amazing.
Now let's practice a longer restaurant conversation.
Listen carefully, everyone.
Hello, table for two?
Yes, please.
Right this way.
Thank you.
Here are your menus.
Thank you very much.
Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I would like iced tea.
Great. And for you?
I would like orange juice.
Okay.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
What do you recommend?
The chicken pasta is very popular.
Okay, I would like the chicken pasta.
Great choice. And you?
I would like a cheeseburger and fries.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Later.
Wilbur, your fries look delicious.
Hands off.
Just one fry.
That is what everyone says. Okay, one fry.
Thank you.
Now I have fewer fries.
Sharing is caring. After eating.
Wow, I'm full.
Me too.
Would you like dessert?
Always. Can we get chocolate cake?
Sure.
And coffee?
Of course.
Coffee and cake are best friends.
Like us.
Aww.
Now, listeners, let's practice speaking.
Answer the questions aloud.
What food do you like?
What drink do you order?
Do you like coffee?
Do you like spicy food?
What is your favorite restaurant food?
Take your time.
Speak slowly.
You can do it.
Now, let's repeat important phrases one more time.
Good idea.
Table for one, please.
Table for two, please.
Can I see the menu?
I would like pasta.
Can I get some water?
What do you recommend?
Can I have the bill, please?
Excellent.
Donna, what is the most difficult thing in restaurants for English learners?
Maybe speaking quickly.
Yes, sometimes waiters speak fast.
But do not panic.
You can say, "Can you speak slowly, please?"
Very useful.
Repeat slowly. Can you speak slowly, please?
Excellent.
Remember, everyone,
Simple English is okay.
you do not need perfect grammar.
You just need practice and confidence.
Exactly.
Donna, when do you remember your first English restaurant order?
Yes.
Were you nervous?
Very nervous.
What happened?
I wanted chicken soup.
Okay.
I accidentally ordered 7 soups.
7?
Yes.
What did you do?
I became very full.
Oh no.
The waiter looked very confused.
That is amazing.
But mistakes help us learn.
Exactly.
English becomes easier when you practice every day.
Little by little.
One sentence at a time.
One conversation at a time.
And remember,
Speaking English should be fun.
not scary.
Yes.
Before we finish, let's do one final restaurant conversation together.
Okay.
Hello, table for two?
Yes, please.
Here are your menus.
Thank you.
What would you like to drink?
I would like iced tea.
And for food?
I would like pasta.
Excellent choice.
Thank you.
Anything else?
Yes, chocolate cake.
Very important.
Very important. Okay, everyone, great job today.
You practiced restaurant English.
And you learned many useful phrases.
Keep practicing every day.
Even 10 minutes helps.
And remember,
Mistakes are okay.
before you go, tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite food?
And what do you usually order in restaurants? Thank you so much for listening today.
See you in the next English conversation practice.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.